Shadows stretch along, pulling the shroud. Oh, the wind through the alley, it calls my name. Low and lonesome, it stirs the flame. Every corner hides a secret untold. In the wind through the alley, I feel the cold. Streetlights flicker, casting a pale glow. A stray cat howls, lost and alone. The scent of rain clings to the night, while the city sleeps under faded light. What am I chasing? What have I found? The answer's a ghost that won't stick around.